Good morning, peoples! So, ngayon ay araw ng Cosmania, September 29, 2019. And it's my first Cosmania in 7 years. Like, yung last time na pumunta ako, 2012. Sobrang tagal na yung last. So, today, I actually don't know what to expect. Exactly because I haven't been to one in so long. So, we'll just see what happens. So, yeah, meron ako, yeah, nakatube na ako and yeah, time to do makeup and yeah, let's do the costume. Ta-da! Visa me! And I'm just waiting for EOS facility to be okay again. Kasi kanina parang 20 minutes na siyang ayaw niyang magbukas. Hindi ako makapag-shoot dito. So, hinihintay ko na lang supposedly yun para makaalis na. So, I'm done for today and oras na magbihis. So, let's go. Tada! So, hey guys! So, today is ito na naman tayo sa mga petsa. Nahihirapan na naman ako. Naluloka na ako sa schedule ko. So, today, okay na, naalala ko na. November 3 and I'm gonna go to a cosplay convention, obviously. And this is Coslandia. And ito yung first na cosplay convention na pupuntahan ko in a long time. That's like not organized by the Byrons, or you may better know them as cosplay.ph. So I actually wanted to go because I wanted to see like what could I expect from like other people. Kasi nga nasa 7 years akong hindi pumunta ng convention. So yeah, 2019 ngayon lang ako pumunta ulit. 2012 ako huling dumalo. Tapos parang even then nung sa bandang kahuli-hulihan na ng mga dinadaluhan kong cosplay event, lahat din sila cosplay.ph organized. So, I have yet to see what they have in store. And obviously, today, wait for it. Tada! 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 So, today, I'm going to do a Rei AyanamiSchoolgirl cosplay. Tada! See. So, this cosplay is as legit as can be because I got this one from Bodyline. So Bodyline is like one of yung mga key costume sellers in Japan. So halos lahat na maiisip mong costume sila yung nagbebenta. Sila yung isa sa mga cosplay authority. Syempre may mga mas high-end pa ganyan, pero yung isa sila. So this one I got from Bodyline in Japan, which is why parang tama na lahat. And yung wig, I've owned this wig. I got this from Hong Kong. I've owned this wig for like 10 years. So, I've had this wig for quite a long time. So, yung makeup, actually, kailangan ko pala hinaan yung contour. Hehe, sorry guys. And yung contact lens, I got this one from Ideal Vision. And it was good kasi at least legit na nakakuha talaga ako ng vampire lenses. Yun nga lang, hindi siya ganun ka-comfortable. Hindi. I mean, lalo na pag nasanay ka na magsuot ng Korean na contact lens, hindi sobra. And yun nga, for the makeup, like, I just went really, like, brown smoky on the eyes, and no false eyelash, just mascara, just thin eyeliner. It's not really a very glamorous look, and sa blush, parang ano lang, konting pink lang, hehe, para magkakulay. Tapos sa lips, nagpili na lang ako ng nude pink, kasi kahit pa paano sa picture, minsan din kasi, di ba ngayon sa video, parang mukhang ang tingkad pa rin niya. Pero in the picture, halos parang wala na rin siya. Washed out na rin siya. So, feeling ko sakto lang din to for the pictures. And yun nga, I'm actually late na eh. So, I'm just gonna see kung ano po maabot ako. So, yun, let's go. So, hello. Today is December 28, 2019, medyo namamaos pa ang lola nyo dahil actually parang nag 1 week na ako na antibiotic pero hindi pa talaga maalis yung sipon, pero yun nga, mas mahalaga. So, nakaano pa ako, tube. Isusot ko pa lang ang aking costume na aking dyan na ho nakasampay para nakatapat siya sa electric fan. Tinapat ko siya sa electric fan kahapon and today I'm going to Cosplay Matsuri and the last one that I went to was Coslandia. So, let's see what's gonna happen today. Kasi sa Coslandia, sobrang kundi talaga ng taong pumunta. Tapos actually, it was more of like an idol event. This time, hindi ko sure kung anong klaseng parang, I think, supposedly, it's a cosplaying crowd. So, we'll see. I lifted up instead. We gotta beat the game. When my Ayan, so, I'm back. And like, ngayon ko lang na-realize kung kailan nakauwi na ako na parang hindi ko pala na-film yung buong outfit. Hindi ko din pala na-film masyado doon sa venue. Hehe, sorry. Like, yeah, sobrang siksikan kanina. Like, it was fun because, although wala pa akong new cosplay friends simula nung bumalik ako, in general, masaya lang yung marami kang kachika. Magaling yung energy lang na nakikita mo bihis lahat ng tao. Yun yung favorite kong part. Actually, before now, yung pa rin yung talagang paborito kong aspeto na ang saya-saya lang. Yung parang yung passionate ka, passionate din yung mga ibang tao, sama-sama kayo. Yung nga lang sobrang siksikan, so I wasn't really like able to film. Today, tada! I went for Summoner Yuna, and so meron siyang, ang tagal ko actually itong sinuot, kaya wala din ako masyadong na film kasi meron siya itong parang bikini top. Tapos meron siya itong puti. And then OB. Itong brooch. Na siyang, oh my god, ay bali na pala at kailangan kong i-repair. Brooch. And then itong, tawag doon, armbands. Yung skirt, at least madaling yung skirt. Tapos itong, earrings. Sorry, giant earrings. And then meron din siyang kwintas. And actually, may sing-sing na kasama itong set na to. Yun nga lang, masira bago pa ako makaalis ng bahay. So, sorry. Ito din, may kasama din siyang bracelet. And then, may iba pang mga earrings na parang supposed kakabit dito. Pero, itong earring pa lang sobrang bigat na. So, hindi din nakikita yung ibang earrings even if suot ko. So, I opted to not wear them na lang. So, yan. It's been a fun experience. And, actually, like, amazed din ako na my makeup actually lasted quite well. I did my makeup at 12. Now it's 8. As I'm filming this, I used Maybelline's Fit Me Dewy. Yung Dewy. I love their Fit Me Dewy foundation. Actually, napapansin ko nga siya yung mas maganda kasi minsan yung Fit Me na matte and poreless, personally for me, minsan parang yung nagiging patchy sometimes. Like, generally, okay siya, pero minsan pag yung sobrang tagal, ayun din, nagkakaroon din ng ganyang problems. Itong dewy, talagang, it says like, yes, mas oily siya tingnan ng konti, pero still, generally, it lasts very, very long. Yung Maybelline Fashion Bro ko kasi inuubos ko na lang. So, parang whatever na lang nakukut-kut ko. So, it's mostly MAC Espresso, which is why this eye makeup look ended up like darker than probably what I was targeting. Pero parang sabi ko, sige na nga lang. And then, for contact lenses, in case somebody wonders, this is Fresh Look in Turquoise. Pero yun, yeah. It's been a fun day. Pogi, pogi. Wow! Ano gawa dito na apo ko? Anong ginagawa ng pogi kong apo?